Hey everybody, this is Nature Walks with Dawn here. And I'm gonna show you a couple more of my artworks today. I have a beautiful little flower here I did a long time ago that I think's very pretty in pencil work. Um, and over here I did a wolf in pencil and just shaded it with pencil and everything. And I think it came out really good too. Maybe I'll try to do some more animals in the future. And over here, I have a lady's face that I did in colored pencils too. And up here, I did goldfish and watercolors. I really like how that one come out too. It's so pretty. And I have a ladybug I painted, and these I did with me and my mom. And oh yeah, a little bird here. And I forgot, I did a little turtle in clay here. He's all cute too. um, a paper mache bird, and I painted the fairy. With the oil colors, I believe. And the owl table I did for my mom. That was her mom's with acrylics, I think. And did my wood burning of a little bird and butterfly and the dove over here, which I haven't done one of these in years, but I really liked it when I did make them. And in my mom's room, we had the beautiful peacock I did in pencil colors too, for my mom. It stays here in her room. And I also did the peacock reef over here. I hope you enjoy my artwork. God bless, and Jesus loves you all. Love you guys out there.